감상할게요. 엄마 안 들려요. 안 들려요. 엄마 그거 볼륨 한번 해봐요.
How was your life in North Korea before coming?
A 1,000 people yearly try to escape fear. From the Republic of Fear, it's told by their first-hand witnesses. In a country where people live without internet and it's isolated from the rest of the world.
Life in North Korea, there isn't lights like at nighttime.
There's no lighting?
No lighting. In North Korea, we are in women. We're not allowed to wear jewelries. That's the law, government law. It's illegal, and the hair have to be short.
So North Korea, no internet?
Yeah, of course, there's no internet. No internet, no social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. No technology.
No passport.
No passport.
You cannot travel.
You cannot travel.
That's why she had to escape. Escaping hell.
When I was young, I thought my country was the best on the planet.
The people escaping North Korea are called survivors. They are very few, and today we'll meet with one of them. You can escape and survive, but it can also be your last episode in the hands of Kim Jong-un.
This is Evelyn. Evelyn escaped North Korea to America in 2014. We'll tell you her story today.
Okay, so she escaped from North Korea, from the north, from the borders. There's a river that she crossed from North Korea to China, and from China, she lived in fear until she reached Laos. From there, she went to Thailand.
And then you flew to US or?
No, in Thailand, I've been there 10 months.
10 months.
In camp.
In the
like,
camp?
Yeah, in a camp. It's like immigration camp and refugee camp. It's like jail, but
Who took you? The police?
yeah, police.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of protecting us. My family, some of my family live in North Korea, but some of my family live in South Korea too. And my mom is living in South Korea.
So why she choose South Korea and you choose America?
Because my mom and I separate to in China. She doesn't come with me.
Usually in North Korea, only rich people can escape.
No, it depends. Rich people have more opportunity to escape because they have more money. But we know a lot of people around.
Oh,
and
you
then-
paid for the
yeah,
military?
we pay for the military. My mom and me. Yeah, I around $200. We ask him, we will come back. We just promise him, and then we never come back to North Korea.
How about technology? You learn technology when you come here?
Yes, I learned technology when I come here. Yeah, I don't know how
still learning?
to. I'm still learning.
You don't know what?
I don't even know how to type in computer and then how to using computer at all.
Oh my God,
And
really?
I don't know how to write essay. Getting higher. Oh. I can hold it right here.
What is your dream now?
My dream, I want to become successful businesswoman. That way I can help North Koreans who doesn't have job and who doesn't have dreams. I escaped with my mom. I was young too, and I have future dream of freedom country, and I have future life. And if I live in North Korea life, I don't have I cannot see the my future.
Be strong.
Yeah.
So do you think like Kim Jong-un? Kim Jong-un? Is he crazy?
No comment.
Okay guys, now we'll try Korean food here. This is South Korean food. But there's a lot of resemblance between North and South Korean food. They used to be one country, but wars separated them in the 50s.
You like kimchi?
Yes. Like this one. McDonald's?
Yeah.
No, we don't have McDonald's.
Starbucks, no?
No Starbucks. In my school, they teach me
Kim
it's like
Jong-un.
Kim Jong-un's generation. All the school, mostly all the school, talk about Kim Jong-un's life, and then we have to use the words, respect words first. After we graduate from high school, all the men have to go to the soldier, they have to in soldier 10 years for whole their young age in the life in that military.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So there's a different way to escape North Korea. Like one way is North Korea to China, and one way is I heard maybe North Korea to Russia.
Oh, Russia.
Or
South Korea.
yeah. In North Korea, there's a virgin come to North Korea. We are not allowed to talk with him.
Are you not allowed to talk with foreigners
Yeah, foreigners.
who visit North Korea?
In every house have to have Kim Jong Un's and Kim Jong Un's mother or father.
Every house.
Every house. They're gonna check every house every month, every week. Sometimes almost every week. Make sure there's no bad CDs or bad dramas. And if you don't put the
Picture?
it's like license.
License.
Yeah, CD license. If you don't have the picture, that could be problem. And then all the North Korean people have to pen. Yeah.
Kim
Of the
Jong-un.
Kim Jong Un or Kim Il Sung, their generation.
Oh my God.
Yeah. If you go there, you have to wear that too.
From the routes we got to know, there's a way through South Korea, and only soldiers located at the borders can escape to South Korea. Or from North Korean military camps in Russia, or from China. Do you see these borders? You can escape through the river. And from there, she escaped.
What do you know about Arabs when you were in North Korea?
Arabs? We never see Arabic people.
You never meet any Arabic people?
No.
Like
Yeah, never. So I'm friend of HaTTab right now.
You can take me to North Korea?
If the North Korea and South Korea combined,
So you wish that?
I really hope and wish and I pray for that.
So you take
Whole my life.
So all North Korea maybe they like to open, right?
Yes,
Okay.
whole North Koreans.
We're on the bridge by sunset, and we'll say goodbye to her in a bit. Tell us in the comments, what do you think of her story, how she left a country that was unjust to her, a country where it's very hard dealing with the world. So it's great to see her here in the US. It's a sad story. Did it ever cross your mind meeting someone from North Korea?